It's the dehumidifier. We're pulling water out of the air. We're going to go ahead and fake off the pump here. And there it goes. It's got a jiggler pump on it. Hard to see. Turns the compressor off. This is used on a printer. It's a dehumidifier with a automatic pump. Pumps out the water. This bucket here is got about 2.5 gallons in it right now. When this bucket empties here, it'll probably be about 4 gallons of water, and that's been pulled out. Today's Saturday, in one day about 4 gallons of water, because there's been some roof damage up here, and so we had a leak. Water was coming through, so we got water came through with Isaac, and they're trying to dry out a room here. There's the jiggler pump. It's used in this old dehumidifier. I probably should just convert this so it just drips, put a garden hose since it goes in there, but sometimes this will actually pump water up about 5 or 6 feet. It's an old dehumidifier. Yeah, it looks like we got about 4 gallons out in one day, trying to get the water out of the building here in one room. Pretty amazing.